Here's why you should take time off from creating content. Listen, if you are a business owner, an influencer, a UGC creator, any kind of content creator, you know that creating content consistently takes a lot of energy, time, motivation. And in using all of those things to create your content, you will slowly deplete your battery, meaning that sometimes you're just gonna need a break. And that's okay. That doesn't mean that you're gonna stop creating content entirely or that you need to walk away from it completely. It just means that maybe you need to create more balance in your structure, more time away from creating content all the time. So when you know that you need to take a break, what do? One, you just take a break completely. You just get off, you stop creating, you take a pause. Or two, you create content ahead of time so that you don't have to be on the platform all of the time. You can plan it out, you can even schedule it out so you don't have to be on the platform, but then you keep showing up consistently. And then when you're away from the platform, take time to think about ways to re-energize, to refocus, and to create from a better place. Follow for more tips on learning social media the simple way.